simply because you can't get past your past. Children's lives are messed up, and families are messed up, and marriages are messed up, and relationships are messed up, simply because people cannot get past their past. You got to get past it. If it's in the past, it's in the past. And if it's in the past, let it stay in the past. Paul said, I'm forgetting those things which are behind me, and I'm pressing toward those things which are before me. In other words, if it happened last day, yesterday, last night, then baby, today is a new day. There are new mercies and new compassion. But how many of us take what happened yesterday, bring it over into the new day, and to the next day, and to the next day? And what we do, we make each day miserable in our life. So the best thing what we can do to help ourselves and to be healthy in life is that what happened on yesterday, I'm going to leave it yesterday, on yesterday. If God bless me to live to see another day, I'm going to make the best of this day. I'm going to rejoice this day. I'm going to walk in love this day. I'm going to treat my neighbor right this day. Touch your neighbor and say, neighbor, it's a new day. It's a